Hello guys, welcome to my another tutorial of an origami slugs. In this video I'll teach you how to make an origami Twitter. Guys, this is a very nice model and I hope you will like it. So let's start. So first you have to draw a stick 15 by 15 centimeter square paper. You can use any A4 size paper or color paper. That depends on you. So I will teach you how to make it. First you have to make is take this point and line up on the point over here like this and then crease it. Then open it back and now take this point and line up on the point over there. Like this. So as you have done this, now what to do next is take this point, these all points, all 4 points, and take them to the middle, like line up them into the middle like this. Also this one, line up in the middle over here, put a finger so that it does not scribble. Now take all of them, third and fourth. So like this. Now what to do next is turn it over and take this line and line upon line over here like this. Now open it back and line upon the line from here to the here like this. Now what you have to do is take this point and line upon the point over there like this and give a crease. Now open it back and just like this and make another crease from point to point. Like this. Now open it back. And what to do guys is like this and make a crane base like this. Make a crane base like this. So you have done this, and what to do next is take this line and line up on the middle like this. And now what to do next is do the same thing from here. Take this line and line up on the middle over here and give a crease. Open it backwards like this and open it and tuck this side inwards like this. Do the same step over here. And close it. Do the same thing from another side, line to line, from here and here, like this. Now open it back, open this, and tuck it again inside. Guys, it looks exactly similar like an Twitter on the email. Okay, now what to do next is, as you have like this, now open it. So you can see there are two flaps, one is here and another is here. So you have to open it like this, and what to do next is open the flap. Take the finger and open it like this, and take the finger over here and from the back tuck it like this. and close it. So you have, like, this is the middle of the video. So now what to do next is take this point and line up on the point over here. So it will look like this. Over here, and crease the line over here like this, and point to point like this. Do the same step from here of another side like this and crease. So as you have completed this, now what to do next is you have to open it up like this, and you have to tuck it inside like this, and also from here. And here, what to do next is, as you have completed here, now here is another pocket, and you have to do it the same step over here. Yes, these will make the feet of our creature, and like this, line to line, corners to corners, crease it and push it backwards. So you have, so a paper will look like this. Now what to do next is, as you have like a part in the middle, so what to do next is you have to pinch it on this middle one and just squeeze it outward like this. So what to do is you have to squeeze it outward like this. From backward it will look like this, like this. So you have completed this step. Now what to do next is, here the other two pockets, two flaps are here. So you are also have to open them like this, and from the back like this. So here are 2 feet, and here is your open another flap, take it backward like this, and you will close it. So these are our feet, and this is the main body. Now what to do next is do it upward like this, fold it upward, and also this one, just fold it like this. Now what to do next is take this point and line up on the point over in the middle over here. And next step is you have to take and tuck the point over like this and push it back till this point. This will become a point like this. Do the other thing from this side. Take this point and line up on the point in the middle. And like this, and backwards till that the last one, you can see that it is folded here till this point. Okay, and now you have to do it backwards like this. And now what is the next step is, as I have reached on this step, now what to do next is take this and line it like this. Like take this point and point line upon the point over here, like this. Do the same step from this side, point to point over here, like this. Now what to do next is take this point, and here you can see, like here is one pocket and here is another pocket. You have to tuck these two parts inside, like this. You have to open in the pocket and tuck this part inside, like this, and turn it over and push it inward, like this. So as you have completed this step, now what to do next is take this line upon the over here and do the same thing from this side. So as you have completed this, now what to do next is you have to push it backward. Take this whole part and push it backwards like this and crease it. So your neck will look like this. I mean your paper's neck, of course. So here is like this. Your paper will look like this. Now what to do next is you have to tuck this inwards. Open it and backward like this and close it. Now what to do next is you have to make a neck of the Twitter. So you have to do the outward fold. So it will be, you have to put your finger over here and do the outward fold. Push it outward like this. Push it outward like this. So your paper will look like this. So you have made the neck of the paper. Now what to do next is open this, push it inwards like this and outwards like this. You have to make the zigzag fold over here and tuck it inward like this. So this will be the beak of our Twitter. Now what to do next is here are 2 points, so you just get rid of them by folding them inward like this. These are the 2 points. You have to just fold them inwards, just get rid of them. So that will be the body of our Twitter. So now what to do next is you have to make a feet. So you will push them, you will open these. There are like 2 pockets. You have to open them, push them like this, and also open these 2 pockets and push them like this. So these are our feet, our paper feet, like this. So your Twitter will stand like this. Now this is our Twitter. I hope you will enjoy my video, and it's a very nice model. It stands like this. Guys, if you like my video, like and subscribe to my channel if you want like these more. So guys, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.